Welcome to Netiquette Next. Today our topic is how to make an Pinterest account and use the Pinterest properly. So I will be showing you how to do so. I'm gonna search here the Pinterest. I have searched it. It appeared here. I'm gonna click it. I'm going to make an account with the temporary mail just to show you. So here I'm gonna search temp mail as well. Here it appeared. I'm asking it to generate one. It is generating one. I came here. I am just trying to log it the another one out. Here I have logged that out, and now I'm going to copy that here. I will be clicking on the sign up. I'm gonna put my temp mail here, create password, I have created password, and now I'm gonna choose the date and the month and year, the birth date. Here for example I choose this one with October 7. I will be continuing it. It was the proper way. You can put your email and your liking password and the birth date of yours, whichever you have, and then you can continue. I will be asking it to next. Here it is asking me, well, I am female, so I'm gonna click on it. English, obviously English. Next. It is asking me what are you interested in. So I'm gonna pick woman style, tattoos, songs, home decoration, and hairstyle. I have chosen those pins, so now Pinterest will be representing the pins related to my chosen categories. So just like that, here are the fashion, clothing, decorations, and all the other categories I have chosen in my pins. So it was the proper way of making an account with Pinterest. So we can download the pictures as well. We can save them. It is saving. It is saved. We can also download them. Download image. Now it has downloaded. Here we have hide pin, report pin, and get pin, embed code. From this point we can share this. From this point we can share its link to others. We can comment here. We can read other comments, and we can comment here. So it was all about the pin. We are going back. Likewise, it has all the categories we can use. We can search from this point. For example, I'm searching about the nature photography. Here it has given me a lot of nature's photography results. I'm gonna click on it. It is really beautiful, and likewise it has given us a lot of the data. Here it is now. Pinterest have videos, little gifts, and pins also. That was for now. In the next video, I will be showing you how to create your pin, how you can upload a picture however you want. Hope you share, like and subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.